Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today is the 9th of April. Today is Sensex Expiry. So we are seeing a mild gap down 0.3% on Nifty. So Nifty will be opening at 23,900 within the yesterday's range, and as well as Sensex, it will be opening 243 point down at 77,319. 319 somewhere around here. So again within yesterday's range. So the thesis for today is yesterday's low, and we can round it off to 77,000 can act as a support, and resistance we cannot actually confirm since the trend is bullish, but the major trend has always been bearish. We'll see it from there onwards. So major indices are in the green, but HDFC Bank mildly negative. Reliance also 0.25% down. As far as open interest is concerned, yesterday we had a good put build up at 77,000. That is also being a round number, so it doesn't make that of a sense today. So we'll see you at when we initiate a trade. The time is 9:14.
എൻ്റെ കയ്യിലുള്ള പേപ്പർ പോട്ടെ. ഇതിൻ്റെ ആവശ്യമുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. ഇങ്ങനെ തിരിഞ്ഞതുണ്ട്, ഇപ്പൊ തിരിഞ്ഞതുകൊണ്ട് അതിങ്ങനെ അതും വീണം.
ഞാൻ പറയാൻ പോവാണേ. So there has been an initial dip that has been bought back. In this dip itself, we have sold the 76,600 put option. We have not entered the full quantity. We'll wait for the market to get an initial price action, initial balance, then we will see from there onwards. The time is 9:17. Time is 9:35. We have seen a massive slide, about 200 point in a single 3-minute candle. So we have used that increase in IV to max up our position. Now we are full on our put side position, and we'll risk manage it from here. As far as open interest is concerned, we'll see the change in open interest now. 77,000 has good build up, 42 lakh contract, as well as 76,500. So yeah, the open interest is just too early to interpret anything from this. We'll risk manage it from here. Again, Sensex is showing a slide. I'll see you at the next update. Time is 9:43. We see this massive slide continues, and to risk manage our position, we have sold 77,500 call option with an appropriate hedge. Now we have a pretty good break even for the day. Let's see if this slide continues or sustains. IT is weak. In general, good profit booking in the market. Everything is sliding down. Let's see if Reliance takes, HDFC Bank takes support from here. And the hint of green candle formation, these inflated puts will actually start deflating and call side will blow up actually. So yes, the time is 9:45. I'll see you at the next update. This slide continues. We have actually exited our short put position. Now we are in call sell only. We'll see you at the next update. We have made a small change to our position in this up move just to balance the premium and to get protection. We have actually sold 76,000 put option. 76,000 put option. Well, when this 77,000 psychological level is breached, we won't get much protection from our put option sold, so we'll aggressively risk manage or get out of our sold option when it happens. Time is 10:12. I'll catch you at the next update. 10:20 update. Well, this market is actually testing the patience of the traders. See a massive up move followed by a huge slide down, now again moving up. So to risk manage our call, we have sold 76,500 put. Yes, it is a bit aggressive bet. 76,500 is being sold at 96. It is just to balance the premium. Now we are balanced premium wise. Or when we see the open interest, 76,000, not much clear data. 77,500 has some resistance, and above that nothing below also. That's actually troubling. So we'll see it from here. Again, there is a small up move. What we need is a bit of consolidation. See the spiking of the straddle premium. It's just insane. These small pullback and are actually causing a very huge chunk of money for the traders, actually in adjustment and everything. Reliance Nifty IT is picking up from the bottom, as well as HDFC Bank. Yeah, it's just the beginning of the day. Time is 10:20. I'll see you at the next update. 10:40 update. We have exited the 75,500 put option. 76,500 put option, since it was spiking insanely on the small moves. Now we have only call sell. We'll try to re-enter when the market demands. The time is 10:40. 10:50 update. We have sold 76,200 put option also. Now it's almost same premium. So I guess we'll hold this till market makes a decisive move. There has been a lot of chopping around today. So we will not be too preemptive to make any adjustment. As far as open interest is concerned, 76,500 put is seeing addition, as well as 77,500 call is also seeing addition. We look at the graphical change. 76,500, 77,500, 1,000 points triangle. Time is 10:52. Catch you at the next update. One more small update. In this up move, we have actually risked off from the 77,500 call, exited around 68, and we have re-entered. We have entered 77,700 call. Now we are at 77,700, both the day's high as well as yesterday's high, and 76,200. So the time is 11:10. I'll see you at the next update. 11:17 update. We have rolled down the calls from 77,700 because there wasn't much meat left here. So we again are sitting on 77,500 and 76,200. Time is 11:17. 11:30 update. Seems like the market is preparing for something or is being heavily managed. It has been in this small range since 10 o'clock. But yeah, with sharp pullback that is causing premium spikes. So currently we are at 76,400 as well as 76,500, 77,500. We're actually booked profit at 76,200 and moved it up to 76,400. There's 100 rupees of credit in it minus 23 rupees of the hedge. So yeah, looking good as of now. Still has not come into positive territory. Will aggressively risk manage from here on because it is pivoting more towards 77,000, but we can't be sure about that. Last time we had a hope of 23,000 expiry, but it didn't work out well in Nifty. So yeah, hoping for the best. The time is 11:30. See this, I just want to show you as an interesting thing. Price action, you know, Nifty IT is moving towards day high. At the same time, all other constituent major heavyweight, ICICI Bank going down, HDFC Bank going down, Reliance going down. This is classic index management. Someone do not want the index to move wildly today. That's why heavily managing all these components. Still, we are down 0.25%. That's it from my side. So we are gonna get out of this call when it expands to around 70. At that point, we'll get out and roll up the put. For now, we are not doing anything, just sitting and observing the price action. The time is 11:42. Our stop loss actually got hit 70. We exited at 72. Actually showing futures, Nifty futures are showing a breakout with volume. So yeah, as a precautionary, we actually exited. IT broken out from the day's high. Everything else is hovering around there. I guess IT is taking Nifty as well as Sensex up today. Still down minus 0.1%. We'll see if we can get a re-entry. Otherwise, we'll hold on to the position. The time is 11:50. 12:50, 12:20 update. It has been hovering around the 77,000 mark with maybe 100 point up and 100 point down. So we have sold 77,600 call option as well to just to balance the premium, as these whips were actually messing up with my P&L. So constituent, we can see IT have moved up and is consolidating, while Reliance, the biggest constituent, is just consolidating, as well as HDFC Bank consolidating at the lower level. Similar with ICICI Bank. ITC has given a move up but it is now giving back the momentum. Open interest 1220 update is massive call open interest call writing at 77,500 as well as 78,000. So yeah, still in the negative territory. The time is 12:20. 12:30 update. These pullbacks are really brutal. You know, striking this spiking the straddle from, it was actually trading from 384 all the way to 396 just in a matter of a second. So in that time also we had to do some evasive maneuver. We got out of our sold put 75,500 put, not 75,500, 76,500. 76,500 put we got out, and we again re-entered had to re-enter 76,600 put, the initial position we entered in the morning. So yeah, guess no easy lunch, no free lunch in the market, that's for sure. Time is 12:33. So 12:44 update. In the hindsight, it seems actually a very consolidating market. But since we were not having a profit cushion to begin with, so couldn't play any aggressive bet anywhere. So we have exited all the put option we have exited, now only in call option. We'll see how much less we can lose today. So yeah, the market being market actually humbled us, actually will humble us every time. So the time is 12:45. I'll catch you at the next update. So 133 update. There has been a strong sell-off. You can see this sell-off strong. So we haven't made any change to our position. It runs like this. We're gonna trail it. So today, yeah, will end in red, marginal red along with the charges. It was a wrong entry, I guess. We were actually a bit earlier in entering the put side position without watching for the initial balance. Sensex continues to be a pain, but yeah, protect your capital. That's the main goal. So it's 134. We'll see you at the next update. So the time is 1:45. We have exited our call option and we have entered a new triangle, which is 77,000 and 76,100 triangle. We are not gonna do anything on this position unless our predetermined stop loss is hit on the overall mark to market. So these small delta hedging costs are actually costing us in terms of brokerage as well as government charges. So we're going to watch the price action, then decide. The time is 1:46. 2 o'clock update. We are in the same position. Just rolled up the put by just 100 point. So we are at 76,200, 77,000. Triangle. 1 hour to go for averaging. Yeah, it has been such a, lately it has always been a treacherous day. So nothing to complain about. That's how the market are. Nifty IT rallied, consolidating at the top, while all others are consolidating at the bottom. The time is 2:07. We'll catch you at the next update. It's the 3 o'clock update. Market has been, what a market. So we have been trying to sell these and 76, 300, 200, 100. 76,800, even 76,600 options we sold, we changed, we adjusted, did everything, every firefighting. And now currently the position has 7 rupee minus 1 plus 1, 2 rupee, 5 rupees in it, 5 point in it. So we'll 5 points, we'll risk it when it dips below 4,500. We'll just exit. It's the mark to mark stop loss. So it has been, yeah, throughout the day we were in the negative. Only the last 2 to 3 hours we were able to capture some decay. All other went for delta hedging. So yeah, now it's 76,800. We'll see if it goes to 0 or we'll have to exit it manually. The time is 301. The averaging has kicked in. So the synthetic future is actually saying as 76,500, which is actually good for our position. Oh, it has blown up. We're gonna exit. So the last recording, when we were recording, the 76,800 actually blew up. We have re-entered it with penny or just penny, and the stop loss has been placed. So I'll give you the last update at 3:30. So the final update, that last minute adventure has cost up some point, finally ending up with 0.3% in the positive, has been, look at the day, whole day, except for the first 30 minutes, whole day has been in the red, absolutely in the red, but never went below our threshold. Our threshold 4 was 50, 100 per 10,000 rupees, around 75, 85 points, 75 points. So only in the last after post 2 o'clock, we were able to get some green, and that 3 o'clock move has actually, well, it's my adventure that has cost some points, but that's okay. This has been such a day. The 76,800 will now expire worthless. 76,800, obviously it's 2 paise only, 2 rupee only. So that's it from my side. I hope you have some takeaways. The key is actually staying within your risk tolerance. This was the market today. In the hindsight, absolutely consolidating. But yeah, when you get your hands burnt, that's how it is. Never go for the expert opinion that yeah, it was a consolidating market, you could have made money. No, never. You should have skin in the game, and this is how you build it. So thank you. We'll see you at the next next Nifty expiry. Thank you.